you. All right, so did you discuss your rights with him? You understand your rights and options? You understand the possible penalty for no valid operator's license? Are you pleading guilty today freely and voluntarily to that charge? Did you drive a vehicle in Van Buren Township on May 16, 2026? I understand that you're going forward today without talking to the court-appointed attorneys, correct? But you made a deal with the prosecutor. It says here on paper that you're going to plead responsible to double parking, and both charges from June 3rd would be dismissed. Is that correct? Also says you've agreed to pay fines at cost of $200, yes? Can you do that today?
I can't do it today, but we're gonna see the clerk for access to set up a payment plan.
Go downstairs and talk about your options. Just understand that these original charges don't get dismissed until you pay the money. Go downstairs and they'll tell you what your options are. Have a great day. Your shirt is almost a perfect match for this file.
Orange is the color of the day.
Oh, Mr. Bonner, are you going forward without an attorney?
Yes, sir.
Come on up. I've got a file here that's dated May 22nd, 2026. Registration or plate violation, correct? Prosecutor says you want to schedule this for a bench trial?
Thanks. Yes.
Prosecutor says you want to schedule this for a bench trial?
Yes, sir.
That means you're waiving your constitutional right to a jury trial, correct? Okay. Heather, we got a date?
Like the August 20.
She did. Yeah, August 27, 11 a.m. work for you? Any questions? We'll get you a written notice and then you're on your way.
Back again. Thank you.
Come on up, ma'am.
Hmm?
You can tell me, Steve.
No, 30 minutes.
Your Honor, for the record, Jeff Bowden, Superior on behalf of and with on this file. Ma'am, tell us what the name of the record. Your Honor, today is the date and time set for the arraignment in this matter for reading stand duty. Also had a chance to pre-trial this case, Your Honor. At this time, Ms. Bauer wishes to plead guilty. All
right, it's straight up plea, right? All right, Ms. Bauer, did you discuss your rights and options with Mr. Bowditch? You understand all that? You understand the possible penalty for the charge? Understanding all of this, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily today? On February 27, 26, did you go to the Myers store on Belleville Road? February 26, 27, 26. So the 27th day of 2026, February. And while you were there, did you try to take some merchandise without paying for the merchandise? Satisfied, Mr. Bowditch?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, what should I know before I sentence?
Well, Your Honor, in a moment, the husband can say that he's outside with the children, he's shaving. But she's now in college. It's a mistake that was made poorly. But she's in school, working local students in Detroit.
Where at?
Gibson.
What's the name of the place? Say it again. Oh, I know Ozone House. Okay. How long you been there? Okay. All right. Where are you going to school at? What are you studying?
Psychology and us.
All right. Keep doing ozone work stuff. Yes? That's the plan? Okay. All right. So you understand your rights? We did all that. Yeah, we're good, right? Yeah, what else should I know?
So, this, you have to go to the Belleville Police Department.
Van Buren, probably. Tyler.
And I imagine, Mr. Griffin or Ms. Wilson wants.
It's literally right down the road from Myers. Myers is at Belleville and Tyler. So you're just going west on Tyler. Okay. All right. Anything you want to tell me before I sentence you? All right. So what was going on in February that you guys were at Myers without purchasing?
Don't remember. I have bipolar disorder and I may have been manic during this time. I told my husband during the time that I did not want to begin with this feeling, but he has dragged me into it time and time again. So I'm just taking the fall for him. I don't think it happens.
I believe, Your Honor, those actions are over, though they have really beautifully on the shoulder. I think they're in the corner. Is that true?
Yeah, I'm doing my best, yes.
Okay. All right.
There is restitution, Your Honor. We're gonna put it on,
The other file? Okay. Is Ozone House a full-time job? How many hours roughly? Okay. How old are the kids?
They're 10 months apart. You said it was February 26th?
According to my paperwork, the incident date was February 27th, 2026. All right. Fines and costs are $145. I'm putting you on a 12-month non-reporting probation. I'm ordering 3 days on the court work program as an alternative to jail. We run that program 7 days a week. You pick which 3 days you want to work. Can you pay the $145 today? All right. Go downstairs, either pay it or discuss your options and make a plan to get it paid. Understood? You're going to sign up for the work days down there too. 12 months, non-reporting. All right. So send your husband in. We'll take care of him while you're watching the kids. Kevin Van Wyck.
regular. Your Honor, please, Mr. Van Wyck, sir, would each of you name the record?
Kevin Van Wyck.
Thank you, sir. Your Honor, change date, time set for arrangement in this matter, wait for reading stand youth. You also have a chance to plea trial this case, Your Honor, via an executed plea agreement. Subject for approval in that agreement, Mr. Van Wyck is guilty to an added count of allowing unlicensed driver to drive the car with the understanding the original charge would be dismissed. Mr. Van Wyck does have his license.
Good. Wonderful.
A year of rehab in Tennessee.
Awesome. So how long you been clean? Good for you. Was your license suspended, revoked, or denied at the time? I'll accept your guilty plea. Dismiss the original charge. Anything else I should know?
Nothing on me.
All right.
Look everything around.
Okay. All right. So on this file, I'll sentence you in a minute, let you know where you're at. Before this file, we had other files that you already owe us money on. Looks like you're up to $690 total. You paid something recently? Good. What? $540? All right. You got a regular payment plan set up with us?
I know.
All right. Can you set one up?
I'm gonna try.
Can just commit to some kind of regular payment. Yeah, commit to some regular payments. If you think you can pay 100, but you're not real sure, then commit to 50 and just pay extra when you can. Okay? Give yourself a little wiggle room. Okay. I've got an address from Bibbins. Is that a good mailing address?
Yeah.
Best one you got? Okay. All right. Are you working at all? All right. Where do you work?
I was living in the house with.
Okay.
50 cash, but I'm about today.
Yeah, but full time?
5 days a week.
All right.
Well, it's very slow.
All right. Tell him to talk to Avery. Avery, I just heard Avery tell somebody the other day, he's got some place that's just literally around the corner that's hiring just about any warm body that walks in. They need people that bad. So he's got a lot of, Mr. Taylor down at the probation counter, he's got a lot of job opportunities he can share with you. And they're all local. I mean, are you crashing in this area? Yeah. And he's also got some good resources for homeless situation. Okay.
Yes.
He's the best looking guy and best dressed guy in the building. He's got, I can guarantee he's got a nice suit on.
Just saying, have to figure out that.
All right. So on this file, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put you on a 12-month non-reporting probation. Stay out of trouble. And in honor of your 11 months of sobriety, you got a plan to make it a gazillion months? What's your after plan?
I've been trying to do everything I can, so I keep my kid back.
All right.
Kid up there, so.
Okay. So our probation department can help you there too. If you're having any trouble, you know, you're trying to find a class, you're trying to find some counseling, whatever, come on up and see us. All right. So stay out of trouble 12 months. In honor of your 11 months, I'm not assessing any fines and costs. Go see Mr. Taylor.
out there, she's passing.
Yep, see, you're going to talk to him about your homelessness situation and your lack of a job situation.
If he's coaching.
Thank you.
The Sovereign Citizen.